Zangu bwa hati emishoro government eri kubagerekera ni mingi munonga ekintu ekireetiregemu aha mashomero gakinga n'agandi obuheereza bwacumbagira.
Kiteganisa because sometimes for example for the first time they are going to pay property tax. You see, to emishoro mingi, you have the local service tax, the teachers, you have the income tax, especially bamara kubara kashanga aro profits zo jirota zo funde profits zikirinche zikufuna, and they again tax them atu bakoreka they can property what tax, and there are many other taxes. So we think that some of the tax, for example property tax bayoba jirekere because bagumiza mu taxes nyingi ozakushanga amashomero aga private gakinga kandi government yakagire capacity yo kugira amashomero almost each and every village, including for primary. For example, there is only one government primary school here that serves about 6 cells mu abantu bingi kunogira ngo tarmu private schools where all these students.
Joy Mugisha orkansara w'abacyara ahabwa Kiziba ward ari kushobora yagira ngo ka government neja kutunga Kizibu kihango emishoro yaheza kuhenda amashomero ga private gakakinga.
Directors aba private bakira ku bantu betumbita ngo babahereze emishoro mingi indindi kishikire emishoro nebe barengere kandi nabo bahereza abana kihanga kandi ushanga babagerekere emishoro y'abanyinji kandi ke kubarema cyangwa amashomero ago gakora kusinga cyangwa bwagita ga government tagara satisfying ninga tagara mare abana bo kubabarho ati no shanga ke class emwe erima abana 9 konka ko kuzo private atoshanga nayo yabegura atoshanga abana 5 ubundi nkaga atoshanga umushomeso umwe nabasa kubahandura konka private schools izaheza kurwaho nchimanyisa ngo ni twenka government nhagira nyinge cyakinyiga n'abazire babana nhagira cyabanyiga n'abana nabo nhagira cyabanyiga.
Ahantu ho yashabira government kwejero kuyagumana itekateka ha mashomerago ekaringaniza emishoro utireho no kubahereza ubushagiki uburumwentebe ebitabo nebindi
yaneshare emishoro nayo gumeringaniza ninga yagushazire nayo nko kureba hati nyonko kunkuba turwo mu council tugira ngo ishemere rya government turkwatire nyoni nshaba ngo bakwatireho na private schools eza babahereze nkentebe eza nabo babombekere ubundi Peter Trinizi bagire cyo babayambaho ninga babahereze nke bitabo textbooks nabo babakwatireho abo kuba nabo bigasho muhango ubwo kuyamba abana bihanga
abeja bituhagambaho nabo bashoboje bakugira ngo amatsiko go kwikana mingi ahabo ko batekatecurwe cy'urukumara
kugira ngo batworahembaga kandi batushaka nampereza amasikuwazi tuza kwika kuko bashomeza bitu nareba amasiko kugira ngo baza kwika kandi twehire yo tabahemura twehire siriyasi twara self-vision consulting abatshabitu twehire yo tawestinga anytime niko twetebe abagenzi banje muri consulting abashaka wafuna kenamba atakuchengaje ojitore tsha ajichenjeseje masekikaje
nubwo abana bariyo nibetebekanisa kore byezo byo kumara icyamushanje. Joy Mugisha yajumerera abashija abanyitima abarinzire nsingantezi kuzutombintu byo mbonano
ambaho abana b'icyamushanje kira kunshaza umuntu nabar kuriya ariyo mushomesa ari doctor kuko shanga nariyeta kana kahereze P7 katombyo mbonano umwana ataka manyire cyo gukora umwana nakinyeta amusisiro munyeto kuko shanga be bajyo bashoma nibagumza kandi ushanga no gomushija mukuru oba kweta sugar daddy nanda ngo ambiha biso mutwaro 5 kandi ushanga abana be barya university mwene mwabashija mu abinito miye witima ry'abana babatahi banye nimbasha baremba bazi muri kabana bakure muri kabana bashome ngihanga ryanye ncyakare nubo bashaho nibo ba president bino mugasho kutabahendero munyeto abana bashobora babishiki ni mu bishimwe mwerinde mu rugo byo kutagwa twarebye seji muzakora sente zanyu muzirya ubwo mwamuze musajyanye.
Okay, we bari
Gasha kwa Gerard Tugume ahabwa Sky Television Agention.